Squarespace empowers anyone to build a website, regardless of their experience. But if you're pressed for time, unclear about the exact vision for your website, want to strategize the best way to structure your content, or just want a professional's expertise, it can be useful to hire a professional. With Squarespace Marketplace, you can connect directly with some of the most experienced and active members of the professional Squarespace community. Marketplace experts are vetted for their skills, experience, and knowledge of the Squarespace platform. Experts offer a variety of services, including new website builds and migrations, online store setup, search engine optimization, design refreshes, and more. To get started, go to squarespace.com/designer to browse available experts, or select Get Matched to be connected with an expert based on your project details. Whichever route you choose, we'll first ask you to provide a bit more information about yourself, your business, and your project needs. Once completed, our partners at 99 Designs will analyze your project and recommend the best experts for you. From there, you can work with your chosen Squarespace expert directly to finalize the details, agree on price, and get started. All payment and project management will be handled directly through 99 Designs, and their customer support team is happy to answer any questions that you have about their platform or process. Once the scope of the work has been completed and your site is ready to share, you can look into next steps for managing your store on the go, sharing your work on social media, or building email campaigns to drive traffic to your site. Please let us know if you have any questions about getting started with Squarespace Marketplace. We're always here to help.